Hello viewers, you are welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be bringing a BTCUSD trade breakdown of my setup. I'll be walking you through the process of analyzing the trade from the top to the bottom analysis, and then guide you on how you can make a similar trade decision. So now let's begin. Usually I start my analysis from the weekly time frame. Now, what was my bias on the weekly time frame? First off, I noticed a rejection from this weekly key level, so thereby starting what I normally call a weekly bearish storyline. And this was a few weeks back. Take note that this is a weekly time frame. This was about on the 20th of October. That was when price started this weekly bearish storyline. So right now I know that the storyline has not ended, although price rejected another key level on the weekly time frame right here. But when I checked and confirmed, no storyline was started, so the bearish weekly storyline is still intact. So I was actually looking for sales throughout this week on BTCUSD. Even though my friends were buying, I was just looking for a sell trade. So how do I get the sell trade? Now I stepped down to the daily time frame. I was looking for a key level that I can sell from. Notice what happened this week on the daily time frame. That was on Monday. On Monday we noticed price tapped into this key level right here. Let me show you the key level I'm talking about. This is a key level. On Monday, this was what happened. Price tapped into this key level and then rejected from it, right? After price rejected from it, we noticed what happened on Tuesday. Price swept the high that was created on Monday. This was the sweep. We normally call this a CRT for some of us who know what a CRT actually is. So price swept this high, this Monday high, and closed below it. So that's just giving me a sign that I'll be selling throughout the week in confirmation of my weekly bias. So though many people were buying, I was just looking for sales opportunity. I'm going to show you some proofs. So what happened next was, today being the 11th, the 12th day of November, which is Wednesday, I was now looking for a key level where I can join the trade from, being that I've seen what happened on Monday and Tuesday. So how could I get my sell entry? Before I stepped down to the 4 hours time frame, I saw this key level right here. This key level. Now for some of us who don't know what a key level is, you can comment down below and I'm going to explain that, and you can message me and I'll give you some guidance. So this is the key level I'm talking about that price rejected from today. But I was anticipating price to come to that key level because the way price started today, price started off, this was the opening price. If you know how a candle forms, this was the opening price today, 102984. so that was the opening price actually. So price was trading up. So many people started joining the buy moves. They were now targeting all these highs up, but I knew that was just a trap because price would stop at somewhere. So I was looking at the level price would stop back from. So what happened? I spotted this key level on the daily time frame, so I quickly had to refine that key level. I stepped down to the 4 hours to refine the key level. On the 4 hours time frame, I noticed that there was some gap. Price could likely come back to this nearest key level up here. This was the first key level, this one. So let me show you. This was a key level I was hoping that price will bounce from, this key level or this key level. So I'm going to use my horizontal ray to mark those two key levels, so this one and this one. So this two became my zone, but it was too big. I had to refine it a little bit more. So I stepped down to the 1 hour time frame, and if you notice on the 1 hour time frame, I spotted that there were some fresh key levels that price could react from. Key levels like this one here was a key level price could react from, and this was another key level price could react from. So what happened was I had to take out this 4 hours key level, and that was what happened. Immediately price came, that was around this was where I started buying from today. I told you the daily candle started as a bullish candle, started buying all the way from Asia. So many people were buying, they were even targeting all these highs, but I knew that at some point around this level price was going to stop and start dropping. So that was what happened. So price rallied up, got to that key level, and I got a sniper entry. Of course, I'm going to put back the screenshot on the chat, and where I told my friends that I was looking for sales off this market, and that was what happened immediately until price is currently retracing. But I'm still going to hold this trade because I know potentially that price will continue to rally down back to the weekly key level. So if you like my breakdown, if you like to trade the way I do, I would suggest that you hit the subscribe button, comment down below if you'd want to learn how I make analysis like this. If these key level issues are, or these key level concepts aren't clear to you, or if you'd like to know more about it, please drop your comment down, and I'm going to reply your comments and then give you some guidance on how you can make analysis like this. Very simple, clean and easy, and then it's highly effective.